Good afternoon and welcome back to Britannia Language Centre. In this afternoon's tutorial we are going to be speaking about commonly misspelt words. The first word I have for you here is the word achieve. Now on the left hand side we have it spelt correctly, on the right this is incorrect. Correctly is A-C-H-I-E-V-E. Incorrectly, sometimes people will put the first E before the I. As the saying goes, I before E, except after C. The second of this afternoon's words is receipt. Again, on the left hand side here we have it spelt correctly. R-E-C-E-I-P-T. Whereas this R-E-C-I-E-P-T is incorrect. Like I said previously, I before E except after C. We have the C here, so E comes first before the I. Our next set of words are actually two words in their own right. We have lose and we have loose, as in to loosen your shoes. Now lose, it sounds as though it should have two O's, but actually it just has the one, whereas loose does have two. So both of these are correct, but the correct spelling for lose is L-O-S-E. Our fourth set of words this afternoon, again, are two words that are correct in their own rights, but the pronunciation is different. Here on the left-hand side we have desert, as in an area with lots of sand, whereas here we have my favourite thing to eat, which is dessert, as in cake. The way I like to remember is a desert with lots of sand has one S. Sand has one S. Desert also has one S, whereas dessert has the two. To conclude today's tutorial, I will finish by giving my hints again for these words. As I said, it is I before E, except after the letter C. If you have the letter C, you are then going to put E before I. When it comes to lose, it just needs one O, not two, which is loose, as in to untie your shoes. And again, to finish off, desert has lots of sand. Sand has one S, desert has one S, whereas dessert, my favourite, has the two. That's all for this afternoon's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and have taken away something from it. I hope to see you soon at Britannia Language Centre. Thanks again.